This K-swap S2000 was pushing hard on a track day when it suddenly cuts out right here. No warning, no hesitation. The engine just died at speed. I'm Hiro, Honda Master Tech, and I'm going to show you the hidden track day killer that every K-series racer needs to know. So I checked everything basic. All sensors good, fuel pressure is good, injectors are firing, good spark, compression is good. What am I missing here? So here's what I found. The crank bolt was there, but it wasn't actually tight. This is from the notorious K24 vibration. Here's the view behind the crank pulley. As you can see, the trigger plate tab is completely sheared off. That tells me the plate rotated when the crank bolt came loose, even for a moment. So I pulled the timing cover off. The S2000 makes it easy to access. As you can see, mechanical timing is perfectly on, but trigger timing is way off. That explains the no start and the backfire. Here's the broken trigger plate next to a new one. You can see the locking tab is gone. So I replaced the plate, torqued it down with a new crank bolt, and here is the moment of truth. Just like that, perfect start, back alive and ready for the next track day. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. God bless. Hero Motive